Good morning! Didn't see you there. Welcome back to Food Friday. Today we are trying to get rid of my stale cracker burps with a nice, refreshing, most guessing, disgusting smoothie. Welcome back to our little series we're doing in this channel, which is trying all of my recipe books. And we're starting with the Ninja Nutra Blender recipe book. It's free recipes that come with your Nutra Blender. This isn't sponsored. How cool would that be if I got sponsored? Oh my god. One sponsor in my life, you guys. If you are someone who has a way of sponsoring, I don't even know what that means, but sponsor me, please. I would be a great representation. Okay, today we are on this recipe. I don't know why I don't just show you guys the recipe so I don't have to tell you. Oh my god, here's the recipe that we're doing today. Honestly, it sounds disgusting. Also, I'm just recently tatted up. It's not real. I don't think I will ever have the guts to get a real tattoo. Honestly, I don't really want one, to be honest with you, but never know. Anyways, today we're making the strawberry watermelon blast smoothie. Oh, okay. I think it's going to be disgusting, but you and I are going to find out together and confirm if that's true or not true. And we all know it's going to be true because did you see the ingredients? Cucumber, strawberries, cantaloupe. First of all, cantaloupe doesn't taste very good. Second of all, cucumber doesn't taste very good. So now we have two ingredients that don't taste very good, and there's not enough strawberries in this recipe to make this taste good. So, and then the ice cubes. So let's just jump right in. So I have this bag of mixed fruit. Oh my god, it smells so good. Anyways, I'm just gonna pick out the strawberries and put them in the cup. Oh my god, I'm not even prepared to show you my outfit. I'm like half in my PJs. I guess that's kind of the vibe of this video. No makeup, I'm just vibing out here. It's like first thing in the morning. This is a great way to start your day. Okay, that's a lot of straws we're gonna start with. Okay, not gonna lie to you guys. I have no idea what 120 grams of cantaloupe is. This is in kilograms. I hate that there are so many freaking conversions. How is this $4? Let's sample one together. Oh, my mouth is so dry. I sound like a rabbit. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my goodness. That is sweet. I had no idea how sweet cantaloupe was. Oh no, my gut's telling me to only do 3. 3.5. Okay. Ugh. I don't know. I don't really like sweet stuff. That is way too sweet. You know what? Screw it. I'll put one more in. Who knows? Maybe this will turn out really good. Half of a medium cucumber. Is this medium? It says mini. So one whole. Wait, what does it say? Peeled? Peeled? Cut? I'm not gonna peel it. Or should I peel it? Oh god, I don't even know. Okay, whatever. I guess I'll peel it. Well, I'm gonna have to have that one because I just wrecked that. So I guess we should, actually read this. Half a medium cucumber, so probably one. But like, why are we peeling it? This is where all the nutrients are, you guys. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess that's the point of following recipes, right? I will eat the skin. I will eat that. I will totally eat that after this. I'm just probably gonna throw some salt on it because... or maybe not. Actually, I'm just gonna eat it as it is. I'm trying to get healthy. It's hard. Food tastes so good. And when I mean food, I don't mean this stuff. I mean like fast food. I love fast food. It smells so fresh. Oof. Alright, almost there. Okay. Okay, you guys. We got a peeled cucumber. Now, let's chop it. And then, yeah, we got strawberries cut in half, the cantaloupe, and now we add ice cubes. But I will say this, that's a really pretty color. Red, orange, green. You know it's gonna be really good for you when it looks this pretty. We're gonna do 3 ice cubes today. Oh, wait. I have a question. There's no ingredient for liquid. We can't blend this dry. Like, that's not gonna work. I guarantee you that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. This is why I don't follow recipes, because like none of them make sense. I mean, you guys can... This literally is not going to work. I guess we put water in it. Wasn't prepared. I didn't actually think about that until now. I'm like, you can't dry blend this stuff. BRB, I'm gonna go blend this up. This is gonna be extremely loud with the lack of liquid and the ice in there, so I'm gonna try to put in some headphones. It'll help a little. I look so silly. That wasn't as bad as I thought, but I think it was because I saved it with water. First of all, we're gonna eat our cucumber scraps. Does it taste good? No. No, it does not. But I feel like this is so good for me. Man, I really feel like a bunny today. A good cooking tip is to always clean as you go. You don't have to throw this stuff in the dishwasher or whatever. You can just run it under the tap and wipe it dry. I don't know. And then you're done. Boom. Cleanup done. Cleanup is done. I'm excited to try this, so let's give it a go. This is the glass. This is the smoothie. Looks good. Actually looks good. It'd be so funny if this actually tastes good. Okay, guys. Cheers. Oh, I smell it already. It just smells like dew. Morning dew smoothie. That's what they should call this. Actually, that's a good name. We're renaming it Morning Dew Smoothie. Why am I so out of breath? Oh. All right, here's my thoughts. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. However, I still don't love it. It's not something I will make again. Why? Because I feel like there's a dividing line between the delicious taste of the strawberries, sour, bitter, and a dividing line of the sweet, soft taste of the cantaloupe. And for some reason, the flavors are not combining. It almost feels like there's just a very separate line for the two flavors. And it's almost like it just doesn't work that way. You almost need to add like a pineapple ingredient or like pineapple juice to mix this with. And I feel like the sweet and sour of pineapple would blend the flavors together. And I think that that would make this smoothie killer. And if I had pineapple juice, I would absolutely do that to show you guys that I'm right, but I don't. So, oh my god. At least the burps are less tasting like crackers, so that's good. Anyways, I would say I would give this a 3. No, not a 3 out of 10. Well, would I? I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Is it a 5 out of 10? I hate rating stuff because I don't even know what that means. It's not great. It's not terrible. I think the most terrible one we made thus far in this book was the trail mix in a glass. That was disgusting. Stay tuned for the next episode of Food Friday. I don't know if we'll be doing this one next episode, but in a couple Food Fridays from now, the next recipe, sneak peek. Oh boy, you guys. Sweet and spicy spinach. We all know that that's not gonna taste very good. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. It would mean so much to me. Join my Patreon where there's tons of exclusive content. I'm still getting used to it, so please give me time, give me grace, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Bye. A little behind the scenes for you guys to elevate this for the photo. I grabbed a sweet basil leaf off of my basil tree, and I'm going to put it. The green and the pink contrast, lovely. And this is the footage I get from it. Little tip for you guys if you want to elevate and serve your smoothie for breakfast to your significant other, your children, or even yourself.